Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and let's begin with my phone, which is at the top of the screen of the list actually. Now we have to scroll down and enter version info and localized build number. Let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down to the very bottom and enter the system. Now scroll down again and enter developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and in my case this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.